Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery. Students, welcome to your maths activity time. Today we will learn number 15 and 16. पेज नंबर 29 पर देखिए स्टूडेंट्स. फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी क्या कहती है? काउंट द ऑब्जेक्ट्स and circle the correct number in the box. So start with me students. Are you ready? Look here. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Yes, there are 16 candles. So students, now circle the number 16 in the box. Very good. Now look here students. Let's count this sharpener. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 sharpener. So many numbers? 15. So circle the number 15. Very good. Activity number 2 में देखिए. Circle the 16 cupcakes. Here we have cupcakes. Let's find the 16 cupcake and circle only the 16 cupcake. So let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, 16. So now circle the number 16. Students, now it's time to write. Let's trace number 15. Say it while you write. 1, 5, 15. Now trace number 16. 1, 6, 16. Very nice. Very good students. You have learned to count, circle and write number 15 and 16.